coffee and banana time. Heading back to the trail now with Matt Baker.
Oh, roast. It's all pre-tenderized.
Setting up Matt Baker's trail magic spot here. His generator, and he's going to have the hot coffee with a little bit of hot chocolate inside too.
Hey guys.
Yeah. And this man knows how to bake a cookie. This is a very, very large iced tea. I think the largest one I've ever had in my life. It is super sweet.
Awesome trail magic.
You know what, I forget.
Chili time.
So go for
20 miles a
Banana
day,
time.
even with zeros this last 2 months.
Yeah.
It was a little worrying that I was never going to leave Matt Baker's Trail Magic. It's just so much fun sitting in the sunshine and eating delicious food and socializing with hikers and doing a lot of Star Trek talk with Matt Baker. I really miss my sci-fi, so I got my Trekkie fix and I'm ready to do this last stretch to Canada. Whoa, 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 waterfall. Why didn't you get uphill for quite a while? Whoa, 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 waterfall. And pretty. Just spectacular trail today. Nice and blue skies. Almost done the big climb for the day. This is the junction for the CUTTHROAT trail. Just gonna go down a bit and then up a bit. Been so nice today. Maybe it was all the iced tea and Dr. Pepper I drank, but I am pumped up. I am loving today. Did I mention that I love today? I think I did. So many nice green trees. Methinks this will be the last uphill of the day. Methow Pass. I think I'm now on the descent from Methow Pass. Wow, that was quick. I just like ran up that. Half an hour of daylight left and I'm at the Methow River. There's a bridge here. Gonna get my water and then find a camp spot. I'm on a bridge. I'm on a bridge doing the bridge dance. Time is 6:45. I have my tent set up. I came back over the bridge because I didn't really see anything good on the other side. So I get to cross the bridge again in the morning.